This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by proving ownership and protecting your data. Back up photos and contacts, plug the device in, and make sure you can sign into the Google account. Once signed in on a browser, go to your account settings and check device activity. This gives you control remotely. Make sure to attempt an orderly sign out from settings accounts on the device first, since that is the legitimate removal path and avoids complications later. If credentials are missing, use Google's recovery flows to reset the password and verify with recovery email or phone. Once you control the account, remove the device from your devices in Google Account Security so it no longer retains administrative links. Then perform a factory reset from the device's settings menu to clear local accounts. This completes the removal securely. Make sure to reconnect to Wi-Fi during reset so the device can complete any required sign-out checks from Google servers. Finish by verifying the device boots to setup without asking for the prior account. If it still requires credentials, don't use unofficial bypass methods. Instead, contact Google support or the device manufacturer and be ready to show proof of purchase and ID so they can help remove account locks legitimately. If support requests additional verification, follow their instructions. That key troubleshooting step, providing clear ownership proof, resolves most cases where automated recovery fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.